Hello everyone, my name is Ira Bowman. I'm the founder of Project Help You Grow. I'm actually here at the car dealership. I'm getting my car serviced today. And it made me think about, why do we bring in our cars to get them serviced now where before in the past when I was a kid, we used to fix the cars ourselves, right? I used to help my dad all the time to fix his car. Well, here's the thing, times have changed. The computers and the operating systems in the car have required that, someone like me without a trained skill in a computer need help to get our cars fixed. And there's nothing wrong with that. The job search is very similar to that with artificial intelligence and ATS and all these things that employers are using to find their new employees. The job seeker really is wise to get some help. And so if you're struggling with your job search and you need some help, maybe the thing to do is to quit trying to fix your car yourself, take it into the mechanic and let somebody help you. That's what the job search really is starting to require. It's starting to require a career coach, a tour guide, a strategist, whatever you might want to call it, but get some help so that you can find that job quicker. And actually, not only can you find it faster, a lot of times you'll find a job that's better and will make you happier in the long run, so you don't have to repeat this vicious cycle next year or the year after. Anyways, my name is Ira Bowman. I hope this video helps you. I hope all my videos help you. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.